Forgotten username recovery failed on Yapily Fix. If your forgotten username recovery keeps failing on Yapily, don't panic. This issue is more common than you think. Most people assume the problem is with their account, but the surprising truth is that Yapily doesn't actually use usernames the way traditional platforms do. Yapily operates as a financial data and open banking platform, meaning user access is tied to your registered email or the business account you're connected with, not a standard username. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Yapily login page or portal where you normally access your account. Instead of trying to recover a username, use your registered email address to log in. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions in the reset email. Step 2. Check your inbox, including your spam or junk folders, for any messages from Yapily. These will confirm the email address linked to your account. If you manage multiple work or business emails, try searching Yapily across all of them. This is often the quickest way to find your linked account. Step 3. If you still can't access your account, reach out to Yapily's support team. Provide your full name, company name, and the email address you believe is registered. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed and ask them to confirm your login details. Most people get stuck because they expect a username-based recovery system, but Yapily's secure infrastructure relies solely on email and API credentials. Once you use the correct email or reset your password, you'll be able to log in without issues. So don't worry, your access isn't lost. The fix is simple. Focus on your registered email, not a username, and Yapily's support can help you restore your account quickly.